Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can connect Ledger with Phantom Wallet. So first is you just have to install Solana application on the Ledger. So you just have to open Ledger Live on your computer. So this is how it looks like on the computer, and then just go to My Ledger, so which is in here at the very bottom on the left side menu, and then tap on Connect and unlock your ledger. So you just have to search for Solana, then click on Install. So from here, as you can see, the Solana is already installed, but when it is newly installed, it will look like this. As you can see, there is an installed there, and then wait for the installation to complete on your device. So as you can see in here, it's already installed, but you just really have to follow this if you still have no Solana. So next is to enable blind signing on Ledger. So on your Ledger, just open the Solana application here, then scroll and enable blind signing required for Phantom Wallet to work properly. So you're just gonna have to click on Solana here, then click on continue, and it'll start on connecting your account, and then it will be connected once done with the loading. So once you're done with this, just have to click on continue, and then after that, just open the Phantom Wallet. So you can open the Phantom Wallet extension in your browser or the application, and then click on the account icon at the top left. So here you will click on account, and this will appear, and then click on this plus sign, which is the add or connect wallet. Click on that, and then choose connect hardware wallet. So once you click on this one, this will appear. So you just have to click on this one, connect hardware wallet, tap on that. And then lastly is to connect Ledger device. So you have to plug in your Ledger and unlock it. So this, you just have to plug it to your PC or laptop, and then choose Ledger or Nano X when Phantom prompts you to select a hardware wallet. So here, click on this one. Once you click, plug it, it will start on searching, and then you just have to tap on the Nano X or Ledger, and then click on continue, and then select Solana address that you want to use. So Ledger generates multiples. As you can see in here, the Solana, it has a lot of addresses, so you just have to select the one that you want to use. So say for example the Ledger one, just have to click on this checkbox and then tap on continue. And then once it is connected, your Ledger based wallet will appear in Phantom, and you will now view balances. You can also receive Solana and sign transactions with your Ledger for full security. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!